Over the years, the Canadian government has tried to make universal human rights part of Canadian law. We are going to discuss both human rights and discrimination. Human rights are the rights that protect people from unfair treatment by other individuals and by government. Discrimination is treating individuals unfairly or differently because of characteristics such as race, sex, religion, age, disability, or sexual orientation. At the time of Confederation, women in Canada did not have the same rights as men and were not treated equally. Women could not vote, and most stayed home in domestic roles, taking care of husband and children. Near the end of the 19th century, attitudes began to change slowly as small groups of feminists fought for suffrage. Suffrage is the right to vote in political elections. This is also known as franchise. A feminist is a person who believes in the social, economic, and political equality of the sexes. During World War I, thousands of Canadian women worked on the farms and in the factories while men fought in Europe. By the end of World War I, all women had gained the right to vote in federal elections. In 1921, Agnes MacPhail was the first woman to be elected to the House of Commons. In 1929, led by female judge Emily Murphy, women finally gained legal recognition as persons in Canada. During World War II, more than 1 million women entered the workforce to help with the war effort, and nearly 50,000 women joined the military, but not in combat roles. The Canadian Bill of Rights in 1960 stated it was illegal to discriminate based on gender. The Charter of Rights and Freedoms in 1982 meant equal rights for women was now a constitutional right. Despite many advances in women's rights, women still face the following issues in our society. First, pay equity, equal pay for equal work. Sexual harassment, the unwelcome actions of a sexual nature towards another person, a significant issue for women in the workforce. Employment equity, treating employees equally based on their ability to perform the job and being impartial to characteristics such as gender and race.